Hello magicians, I am going to present the method to render cryptomattes based on custom attributes. Let's start. I have generated a simple setup with 5 objects. I am gathering those assets using object merge and keeping the objdname primitive attribute on, as we will be using that to generate cryptomatte. After creating the shader, we have to add rendering parameters from the settings menu. In the rendering properties tab, look for VM_GIFile attributes. It will be under Irradiance parameters. GIFile can be used to contain samples from all objects and store into single image. After adding the properties, you need to enable Radiance Cache. You can put anything in file cache path. Any number or alphabet will work. Now, we will assign this shader in the material SOP. Once you attach the material, we will require to add the local overrides to use custom attributes. Only after attaching the material, you will be able to access the parameters from the material in drop-down menu. We are going to attach a Radiance file cache which is VM_GIFile from parameters list. To use our custom attribute objdname, we need to turn on the override of local variables. Now, we can use it as $objdname in the string channel. After setting the material, it is time to render our cryptomatte. So let's set up our mantra ROP. I will set the render path and add cryptomatte layer here. In the layer property, we are going to use our recently added GIFile properties. And, for the channel name, you can keep any name you prefer. For cryptomatte, you can write separate files if you want. I am going to render in Beauty itself. Let's load our latest render with cryptomatte. I am loading it through comp context. Let's take a cryptomatte node. As you can see now that we have our cryptomatte rendered using the objdname attribute. I can select the matte and see the cryptomatte ID in matte selection. I also use name attribute using assemble. Rendered one more image for the cryptomatte. And as you can see that we have different matte selections for this. Hope you like this video and it will be helpful to you all. See you till next time.